Today, we're pulling the Yukon in the shop so we can change the radiator. Right, Doc's starting the radiator swap. Hopefully he doesn't break anything or lose any parts. Uh-oh.
Just a little bit of antifreeze.
The old radiator is out, that leaks, and here's the new one.
Hopefully she should be better.
Alright, the radiator's been swapped. Got enough coolant in it now, and it's not leaking like it was before, but it was leaking off the training lines because the radiator wasn't tight enough at the fitting when we got it from Amazon. So everything seems to be okay except the operating temperature, so should be good to go. So the Yukon is ready to go. Next project is the 99 Tahoe. Right, next is the Tahoe for lift blocks, the rear end.